IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you often give gifts to others? Band 5. Answer.
Yes, I give gifts sometimes, like on birthdays or Christmas. I don't give very expensive ones because I don't have much money, but I try to make them nice.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Basic and hesitant, but understandable. Lexical resource. Limited vocabulary. Nice, expensive. Grammar. Simple sentences, few complex forms. Pronunciation clear, but may lack natural rhythm. Typical of a Band 5. Can talk about familiar topics, but with basic language and structure. Band 7.5 Answer.
I usually give gifts on special occasions like birthdays or anniversaries. I enjoy choosing something personal that suits the person's taste. It's a nice way to show appreciation and strengthen relationships.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth and well-connected ideas. Lexical resource. Good range. Occasions, appreciation, strengthen relationships. Grammar. Mostly accurate, some complex sentences. Pronunciation. Natural with only minor lapses. Typical of a Band 7.5, uses a wide range of vocabulary and structures with clear organization. Band 9 Answer.
I do, quite frequently. I believe giving gifts is a thoughtful gesture that conveys appreciation and affection. I often choose items that reflect the person's interests rather than something generic. It makes the gesture more meaningful.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless and sophisticated flow. Lexical resource. Precise and idiomatic. Thoughtful gesture. Conveys appreciation. Generic. Grammar. Perfectly controlled and varied structures. Pronunciation. Fully natural and flexible. Typical of a Band 9. Natural, confident delivery with nuanced vocabulary and excellent structure. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.